Assalamualaikum, this is Haseebullah Memon and welcome to HM Talks. Dear viewers, today I will discuss a very good topic that is today's need to discuss about. Yes, peoples are living country that is called the brain drain when actually the qualitative, educated and competent persons are leaving the country because of certain conditions that becomes a brain drain. And it's actually an economic term used in most of the conditions when the peoples are leaving the country through the migration and shifting to their other countries for finding their jobs and opening their businesses over there and winding up their businesses from this country or anywhere from the world and settling their businesses abroad due to the certain conditions. Those conditions we will discuss today in this video, which are mainly based on the two aspects. Number one is the push factor, and number two is pull factor. In push factor, we are focusing on 4 to 5 conditions. Like we are going to focus on the, we can say, lack of the research facilities, and we do not have the proper employment generation and also the employment discrimination. And we also focus in this pull factor, that is, we can say, the economic underdevelopment. That is also, we can say, the factor of the pull aspects of this brain drain. And then we have the no call of freedom, and also we are focusing on the poor working conditions. That's why the peoples are leaving the country. Nowadays, Pakistan is facing the same condition. These all the things are being focused by the people, and they are leaving the country. Apart from that, if we talk about the pull factor, that is attractive, and we can say uh, the countries are attracting the people to leave their homelands because of the few factors which are very common and one must understand. First of all, I will highlight like the highly paid jobs is coming under the, we can say, the umbrella of this pull factor. Then we have the quality of life, then we have the rich cultures, then we have the political stability of that country, then we have the educated modernized systems, then we have the foreign trainings to, we can say, get from the peoples, and that's a prestige. And also we are focusing on the economic stability as well of that country. That's why we're leaving the country. Apart from that, if we talk about the benefits of brain drain, we must say that there are two main factors due to which the peoples can benefit their homeland after leaving their countries. Number first factor is skillful, we can say, that trainings or skilled workers can benefit their homelands while coming back, but it takes time. Number two is actually the foreign remittances. That's a benefit actually. So two main benefits are, we can say, due to the brand drain. But highly educated, qualitative, competitive peoples are leaving the country. There is a no, we can say, the alternative. No one can make the difference if the peoples are leaving. On the behalf of that, no other incompetent person can perform that duty. So we must have to take care to prevent this biggest challenge. Yes, brain drain is the biggest challenge of this country. When I was a graduate, I was putting my effort to do the research on this topic, but I was selected in the China. I couldn't manage to go there because of some, you can say, the challenges. I was selected in the one of the best universities in China. But at this stage, it's a very, we can say, the biggest challenge. One must go for the research on this topic and continue, we can say, giving the solutions that how we can prevent this challenge. Then we have come to know that what are the, we can say, disadvantages, what we will be lacking if the brain drain is not controlled. Yes, people will be facing such situations because nobody will be there to give the innovative idea. Nobody will give, we can say, the 100% effort to do the business or entrepreneurship. There will be the no confidence in investment. There will be the no foreign direct investment, and most of the thing, we can say, most of the time we think about a few, we can say, aspects like lack of the economic stability and the lack of the people's, lack of the educated people will definitely leave the space which cannot be filled by the incompetent people. So this is how we can understand how brain drain is very much important. Recently, Pakistan is facing this trauma, I can say, this bad situation in which more than 7 lakhs, I guess 7 lakh and 65,000 in 2022 people have left to find their jobs, to open their businesses abroad. The maximum number have gone to Saudi Arab, then UAE, then Qatar, then Oman, Kuwait, then we can say China, Japan, even Sudan. People have moved. Alarming situation. The leadership must think about this, that why the peoples are leaving the country, and they should control this, otherwise it would be a disaster. We should focus on brain gain rather than the brain drain. I request all the bureaucrats, government, and the competent people that please put your efforts to control this situation. This is a beloved motherland, and we should love by utilizing our skills to make this country developed and a progressive one. So let's meet with other videos. I hope you have got a very good knowledge in this video. So keep in